Guys, burgers and fries. Putting those cars.
It's red for a reason. At this point, we were just walking and walking and walking, and we talked about stuff and talked about missing our dogs. This is a really boring video. I'm surprised you're watching. To the glory of God and in the memory of the officer's warrant, officers, non-commissioned officers, guardsmen of His Majesty regiments, the root guards who gave their lives for their king and country during the Great War, 1914-1918.
It's pretty flowers.
Yeah.
Pretty. I'll wait. Ooh, that would be a good picture right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because you can't go in?
Mm-hmm. There's a palace.
Who lives there?
Palisades.
You see one obese person? Ooh, come here.
So, like, going into Charlotte, how many fat people do you see just walking around? Fat people don't tend to walk around.
America is obese. Fatties. Including myself. I'm gonna get a picture in front of this gate, whether you like it or not. These are so freaking pretty. Is that in English?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
49,076
76.
of all ranks of people. Wow. You know, it breaks my heart how we don't have a National World War I memorial. Look, our fish has a pee-pee. They make it the sex. I said they frick. Oh no. Frick. I ordered the wife a drink. Got her a double. Maybe she'll chill out. Just kidding. But I really got her a double. Some meat pie. It's just a meat pie. Fish and chips. I didn't eat any of those, but well, you know what Mr. Sloan always says? There is no I in team, but there is an I in pie. And there's an I in meat pie. Meat is the anagram of team. You know the reference? If you do, put it in the comments. Well, this is a boring video.
Maybe I'm not. No, I'm just kidding. I don't need shoes. I think I have shoes. What are you doing? Gloves and a scarf? All for one? I didn't know it was going to be this nipply. It's a bit nipply. No, what? No, I don't want to read all that.
No, it's not that.
What is it?
Kylo. Kylo's the geeky baby.
He's a baby. Kylo is a good baby.
The baby.
It warms me up for one. Two, ride him on the bridge.
It's the Tower Bridge.
No, London. The London Bridge was falling down. Falling down. Wait, this is what they sing about, right?
This is the Tower Bridge. I think the London Bridge is different.
No, this is the London.
Okay.
Look, I'll show you.
It's for money.
Okay, well, I mean, he's good, so I'm gonna. I have quarters or whatever, they're just change. What is that? How much is that? £2. It's $2.
Okay.
And then we gotta go that way anyways, right?
So at this point, we end the video. Thank you for watching and subscribing and clicking the like and the notification, blah blah blah. I'm just trying to crank them out, get rid of some of this backlog, get one of these fishing videos out. I got a few in the backlog. I might put them all in one video, but no fishing today. I'm sorry. Anyways, London was fun. But if you wake up early, you can do it all in one day. Otherwise, it's kind of a waste of time. Works for the wise. I'm the worst fisherman on YouTube.